Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. I'm going to be sharing with you 4 different apple cider vinegar detox drinks. So I love apple cider vinegar, but it does not taste good, you guys. So I have been making these different drinks. I wanted to share them with you. If you've been around my channel, you've seen some of my other detox drinks that I have. I have a whole playlist of detox drinks and teas. So I'll put that playlist in the description box. Check it out. They're all awesome. So I like to mix it up between all the different detox drinks that I have. But apple cider vinegar, so good for you. The taste, not so good. But I'm gonna make 4 different kinds, 4 different flavors, and show them to you guys. I pre-make, everything. If you've been around my channel, you know all my meal prepping. I just prep everything. So I'm gonna prep all these juices. I have these juice containers that I got on Amazon that I love. They are really, really great quality. Comes in a huge pack. There's like 18, I believe. So great, they're reusable. And they're plastic, but they're like a really good plastic. So I'll put a link to these in the description box. They're awesome, from Amazon. And I'm gonna make up these 4 different apple cider vinegar teas. So apple cider vinegar, it's so good for your health. It can definitely help in aiding with weight loss. It really helps make you feel a little bit fuller. So I like to have it before a meal, and it kind of fills you up before you eat and helps you not overeat, which is kind of one of my biggest problems. I'm kind of a little bit of an overeater, so that's why I portion out my meals and make sure that I have the correct portions. But apple cider vinegar is really good to help curb cravings, help you feel full faster. So really good for your health, really good in aiding and weight loss, and really good in keeping that blood sugar down. Really good for diabetes. I don't have diabetes, but if you do, really, really great for diabetes. So good for you. They recommend 1 to 2 tablespoons a day. And so it's 0 calories. And like I said, you guys, does not taste good. So I used to, way back, take a shot of it until I realized it's not good for your teeth or for your throat to take just a straight shot. And so I started making all these different mixes with it. But I love this brand, Bragg's. It is with the mother. That's what you want to get all the super awesome health benefits, you guys. So I'm gonna get all of these made up, 4 different ones for you. Let me know which one you're gonna try first in the description box. I like them all, but I hope that you really enjoy these, you guys. Like I said, I will link these containers in the description box. They are the best for making ahead this juice so that it's ready for the whole week. I will get this all going. So for the first one, I'm going to make a lime one, and it's gonna have a tiny squirt of liquid Splenda, 0 calories. But the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze all the juice out of all the limes. I feel like limes don't really have a ton of juice in them. So I have 4, and that should be enough for the 3 juices for these. I'm gonna do a tablespoon in each one, and I'm just gonna squeeze them into just my little measuring cup. I like this measuring cup because it has a little pour spout. So that's why I'm just gonna squeeze it all in there and then pour it into each container. So once I have the limes all squeezed, and I'll put that in the containers along with the apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon and then just a little tiny squirt of the liquid Splenda. I know it gets a bad rep for just not being healthy, but it's only a little teeny tiny squirt, and it really makes this drink so much better. It's actually so delicious, and I really, really like it. So it's just a little squirt of the Splenda. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of the lime juice, and I'm just going to use my tablespoon, pour it into the container. And I'm gonna try not to make a mess, but you guys know that I kind of make messes every once in a while. So I'm just gonna pour that in. I'll do my apple cider vinegar, I'll do the splash of Splenda, and then I'll fill it all the way up with water, and then this batch will be all done. So for the apple cider vinegar, I always use Bragg's, and it has the mother, which is what you want to have all of the awesome, great, healthy things that apple cider vinegar helps with. So definitely always make sure when you're looking for your apple cider vinegar that it says that it's with the mother. I make this one all the time. It is with lemon juice and then 100% cranberry juice. So if you make this one, you definitely want to use 100% just cranberry juice. It's kind of tart, but you don't want to use the juice cocktail that's very popular, like by Ocean Spray, I think is the brand. But you definitely don't want to use that in this because there's definitely sugar in there. So I have this awesome one that I like. It's just cranberry juice and 100% cranberry juice. So I'm squeezing in my lemons, and I'm gonna fish out any seeds that got in there so that I don't pour them into my containers. But I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of the 100% cranberry juice, and then I'll fill the rest up to the top with water. And this one is really good, you guys. And I'm gonna put a splash of the Splenda, liquid Splenda in this also. It really makes such a difference. Like I said, the cranberry juice is like really tart, and this little splash of Splenda makes it so delicious. The third flavor that I'm gonna make is with apple juice. So I use this organic 100% juice, and it has a tiny bit of ground cinnamon, a little splash of the liquid Splenda, and the apple cider vinegar, of course. So I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of the 100% apple juice. I'm gonna do a dash of cinnamon, a quick squirt of Splenda, and then I'll fill it up with water. This one is so good. I love the apple juice taste. It's kind of like an apple pie sort of taste. So it is really, really good, you guys. The fourth apple cider vinegar drink I'm going to make is with crushed ginger, and then apple cider vinegar, of course, and another splash of the liquid Splenda. So this one, it is really good. I really like crushed ginger. It has a very specific taste. So if you're not a ginger fan, that's actually okay because the apple cider vinegar and the liquid Splenda totally overpower it, but crushed ginger is super good for you. So this drink is actually really good. So I'm just using 1/4 teaspoon of the crushed ginger, and then I did a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and then a little splash of Splenda, and then fill with water. And this has tons of flavor. It is really, really good. So I think that it's definitely one of my favorites of all of these, which I'm not always like the texture of the crushed ginger. There's definitely a texture to it. So I wasn't really sure when I started making this one how much I'd like it, but it's really good. Tons of awesome flavor and so good for you. All of these detox drinks are awesome. I sometimes just crave them, so I like to have just a fridge stocked. These are really, really good. And like I said, I love these juice containers, and they're definitely reusable, but these ones I haven't used yet. So the cap, I'm just pushing it on, and it is sealed. So when I open these up, they'll be kind of cracking the seal. But here's the 4 drinks. Love them all. Let me know if you guys try these and which one your favorite is. They are all delicious. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes and more meal prepping. I'll see you guys all next time, all right? Bye-bye.